I'm filming you. Do it.
No.
Do it.
I'm serious.
Why? Why?
Because if I fall in, I'll get in trouble. You don't understand that.
But don't fall in then.
I can't prevent myself from falling in.
You could if you do it correctly.
No. There's not a correct way to jump water.
Yes, there is. Here, I'll show you. Watch me fall in. Video. I'm gonna fall. Let's go home. Come on. Come on. We need to get you. I have your phone. Look what happened. Say bye. Wait. Do you see why I did it? Did you see? Yeah.